Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is episode 1 of Ride With Me. Ride With Me is just a concept where basically exactly that, show the biking here in South Africa from the point of view of the rider. I'll just be riding and just sharing with you my ride from place A to point B. In this one video I will be riding from the Grove Mall over to Tech Base where we will be playing soccer. Hope you enjoy it, and if there's a concept that you guys might enjoy, let me know, and then later in the year I'll be adding some food spots to visit around, especially in the Kasi. We're going to see like the Kota Drive, to go to see different places where different people make kotas, and then we eat, rate them, and I'll invite some guys to just go with me and just have an objective view and not just my view of the kota that we'll be having. Alright then guys, enjoy, happy new year, and I hope this year is great for you guys.
Parler d'eux, t'as vu mes parents, t'as vu mes paroles. Moi mon frère est trop heureux, c'est tellement heureux. Un jour le feu a pris